How to find your LinkedIn username. Finding our LinkedIn username is a fairly simple task. In order to find our username on LinkedIn, simply launch the LinkedIn application on your device first. Tap on your profile icon from the top left and tap on your profile to come to your profile page over here. When you come to this page, you can see various options. Just look for this three dots icon towards the right hand side and look for the option called contact info. So when you go to contact info at the top, you can see your profile URL and you can see linkedin.com/in/. So after this in/, basically my name, that is basically our username. So not this, not until in slash. So anything after .com/in/ is your username over here. And this way you can basically find your LinkedIn username. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.